We're out here today in Cabrillo National Monument supporting a weed warrior project. And what that means is we're removing a lot of these invasive species and other things that are just taking up real estate for all the native scrub. Make room for these native species to thrive in the park.
We are working on this habitat restoration project here in the coastal trail of our park, preparing the land for the native species like the California poppy or the sea dahlia and the Shaw's agave to grow and thrive. As a volunteer at the National Park Service, we help to keep this place as beautiful as it's been for future generations to come.